Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
Aba na kayo, mabal kayo sa amin. Hindi na dadaanan, no? Ibig sabihin, walang tao dito. May bato-bato pa eh. Tuyo naman.
Tuyo. Ito yung maputik pag maulan.
Niyasa din. Buti na lang, di mawala.
So, ayan. Dito na kami sa Camp Gilmore. Look at that. Ganda. Maghakot muna kami ng mga gamit. Alright. Nakapaghakot na kami ng ibang gamit. Pagod. So, let's go. Hakot pa tayo ng ibang gamit. Tara. Hakot pa. Pagod na ako.
Be, unahin mo nga muna kunin yung bag mo dun. Saka yung wallet ko sa unahan. Saka yung cellphone ko. Kuha mo na ako.
Okay. Pagod ka na.
Mamadali na ako kasi uulan.
Ulan.
Mag-set up.
Okay. Charlie. Come. Chushay. Charlie. Laro-laro sila. Mapagod. Ha? Last na? Last na to? Okay. Okay na?
Ako na to.
Pagod ka na oh.
Yes. Gusto ko na
Pawis.
mag-set up. Uulan be, mamaya na eh.
Okay guys. Patapos na kayo maghakot.
Kunin mo yung tira dun sa loob.
Ito na lang. Itlog. Tsaka ito. Pole. Ay, may oil pa pala.
Nasa gilid din ng pinto dito. Kunin mo. Oh,
Alin? Alin?
yan yung tuklay ng aso. Tsaka tech pan. Nakuha mo ni wallet ka, di ba? Sa cellphone. Hindi pa rin yung mga buhok. Ay,
Pawis mo.
ayan.
Open muna natin yung fan. Ang fan.
Ano dala mo? Itlog?
Hindi, ayun ang itlog. Kawawa na. Ako basag.
Dala mo yung dalawa.
Sige. Ay, ilagay mo nga ito sa bulsa ko. Ituktok ko sa bulsa ko yung...
Ito.
Ayaw ko na pala. Okay.
Puro mo na yan.
Mantika lang? Okay.
Nara.
Close ko na to. Close na natin. Okay, last one.
Mag-umulan.
Umulan na.
Yung ground sheet, nandun na.
Andun na lahat. Kasama naman si Charlie and Chuchay. Charlie! Siya si Charlie and Chuchay. Uy. Ang ganda. Ganda dito. Look. Yeah. Balas. Nakakapagod maghakot, guys. Yan.
Okay din dito kasi pag nag-ano tayo, yun na, ilog. So, sa bumili.
Doon ay walang kapitbahay. Saka sa umaga po yung madaming tao dyan, Sarah. Oo.
Doon kami sa part na magpipitch ng tent doon sa dulo. Kasi walang gaanong tao doon. Tsaka malilom. Tsaka makakapag-sabit kami or tali kami ng dulan. May view din naman ng ilog. Ayan. Wow! Look at that! It's so beautiful! Beautiful. Ganda. Ligo na tayo! Ligo na tayo!
Yay! Set up muna.
Alright. Tapos po kayo maghakot ng mga gamit. Mag-set up muna kami. Let's go!
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow.
Alright guys, this is our home for 3 days. Batok kuret. 4 days. Alright. Sarap.
Alright, ligo muna kami sa ilog. Ito yung liliguan namin, oh. Wow. Ligo-ligo. Oh! Ito, oh, para siyang may swimming pool dito. Dito tayo maligo. Let's go! Dito ako. Malalim dyan?
Ha?
Malalim.
Ito lang, ito lang.
Lipat tayong pesto. Malalim daw na konti. Let's go. Ay, dali natin itong sabon. Kasi maliligo tayo diretso. Dulas! 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 Alright. Here we are. Wala, nakakatakot. Kasi, ay! Ang lalim! Come! Come here! Umihi lang siya. Wala, ang lalim.
Jay! Sige!
Uy! Alright, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo dito.
Sarap.
Dito na tayo. Wow, sarap buhay.
Happy birthday, baby.
Nadalas yung pet ko! Nadalas yung pet ko.
Doon may lagi sa bato,
Wait
papang
lang. Let's go swimming! Woo!
Babad mo na. Babad mo na, guys.
Galing dito.
Yeah.
This is life!
Guys.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for
Ligo na.
you.
Ligo na. Woo! Uy! Uy! Tapos ako.
Agos ka na.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right
birthday girl.
here beside you to catch you if you fall.
Labog pa.
Deep and abiding.
Good morning. Morning, baby. Hindi niya ako rinig. Hindi niya naririnig. Sarap magising pag ganito. Ganito yung makikita mo sa umaga.
Luto ka pa isa. Supervise today. Time. Oh. Okay. Ay, hindi mo naman ito na-charge ko din.
Luto na yung ating carbonara sauce. Let's eat na! Let's eat! Ngayon, bossing. Wow, steak.
Go tayo steak, boss.
Magawa ka ng steak.
Yes.
Go.
Paano ako magluto ng steak, ha? Dagdag pa tayo ng konting butter. Marami.
Ano yan?
Rosemary. That's good.
Mapampango.
Sabilig lang siya. Pampabango lang.
Bango ng niluluto mo. Wow. Super cook. Bango, bango.
Medyo meron sa'yo.
Medyo may sa akin. Medyo may tayo.
Okay.
Oh, try mo na. Yan. Tarap, eat mo tayo.
Uy, ganda ng pagkakaano ka.
Patikim ako, patikim ako.
Tignan natin. Ito na.
Sige. Ano? Sarap? Ako nga. Patikim. Ano yan?
Rosemary.
Hop.
Hindi matigas na. No.
Hop.
Sakto lang, di ba? Antayin ko na.
There.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high.